So, Prof. Wally, how abundant is this renewable energy resource, itong offshore wind na to?
Yung offshore wind natin talagang malaki ang resource natin. In fact, yung study ng Department of Energy, pinapakita niyan, kayang supplyan nga ng offshore wind ang buong Pilipinas kahit wala ang ibang planta. I mean, technically or theoretically speaking, ganun kung i-describe yung resource availability. So, marami, no? Of course, dahil nga ito ay offshore, so may challenges, ano? So,
pero ang challenges niyan would be...
Well, challenges dahil masyado siyang malayo, then ibig sabihin, and the most expensive network infra actually is submarine. In fact, yung ating transmission development ng bansa natin, ang difficulty natin ay paano interconnect yung islands. And imagine, we are doing the same thing in offshore. We are interconnecting using submarine cable, which are expensive. So yun yung primary hurdle